Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance. Delta Airlines accelerates Boeing 757 retirement. Delta has announced an accelerated retirement plan for its aging Boeing 757 fleet as part of its fleet modernization strategy. The airline plans to phase out these aircraft by 2025, earlier than initially planned. This decision is driven by the aircraft's increasing maintenance costs and the airline's commitment to operating a more fuel-efficient fleet. Delta is replacing these aircraft with new Airbus A321neo aircraft, which offer improved fuel efficiency and passenger comfort. Boeing 767-300ER fleet reduction. Delta is also moving forward with retiring its Boeing 767-300ER fleet, particularly the older variants. These aircraft have been workhorses in Delta's medium to long-haul network but are becoming less economically viable to operate. The airline is transitioning to more modern aircraft like the Airbus A330-900neo and A350-900 for these routes, offering better fuel efficiency and enhanced passenger experience. Maryland 88 and MD-90 complete retirement. Delta has completed the retirement of its MD-88 and MD-90 aircraft, marking the end of an era for these McDonnell Douglas aircraft in commercial passenger service with major U.S. carriers. This retirement was accelerated during the pandemic and aligns with Delta's fleet simplification and modernization goals. Emirates' massive A350 order. Emirates has placed a substantial order for Airbus A350 aircraft, significantly expanding its wide-body fleet. This order demonstrates Emirates' commitment to fleet modernization and network expansion. The A350s will complement Emirates' existing fleet of A380s and Boeing 777s, offering new route possibilities and improved operational efficiency. Emirates' premium economy expansion. Following the success of its premium economy product, Emirates has announced plans to retrofit more aircraft with this cabin class. The airline is investing significantly in upgrading existing aircraft to include premium economy seats, responding to strong customer demand for this intermediate cabin class between economy and business class. Sustainability initiatives. Both Delta and Emirates have announced major sustainability initiatives tied to their fleet decisions. Delta's newer aircraft will reduce carbon emissions significantly compared to the retiring fleet, while Emirates' A350 order includes commitments to sustainable aviation fuel usage and carbon reduction targets. Network impact. The fleet changes at both airlines are driving network adjustments. Delta is optimizing its route network to match the capabilities of its new aircraft, while Emirates is planning expansion into new markets that will be served by its incoming A350 fleet. These changes will impact route structures and frequencies across both carriers' networks. Passenger experience enhancements. The new aircraft joining both fleets come with enhanced passenger experience features. Delta's new aircraft feature updated interiors, improved in-flight entertainment systems, and better connectivity. Emirates' new A350s will showcase the latest version of their renowned onboard product, including new seat designs and cabin configurations. Maintenance and training implications. Both airlines are managing significant maintenance and crew training programs associated with these fleet changes. Delta is phasing out maintenance programs for retiring aircraft while ramping up support for new types. Emirates is developing new maintenance capabilities and training programs for its A350 fleet introduction. Financial impact and future plans. The fleet changes represent significant financial investments for both airlines. Delta's retirement and replacement program is part of a multi-billion-dollar fleet modernization investment, while Emirates' A350 order represents one of the largest commercial aircraft orders in recent aviation history. Both airlines have outlined clear fleet strategies extending into the 2030s, positioning themselves for future growth and operational efficiency. These fleet decisions reflect broader industry trends toward more fuel-efficient aircraft, improved passenger comfort, and environmental sustainability. Both Delta and Emirates are positioning themselves as industry leaders in fleet modernization, though their approaches differ based on their business models and market positions. For both airlines, these changes represent more than just aircraft replacements. They are fundamental shifts in operational strategy that will influence their competitive positions for years to come. Delta's focus on fleet simplification and modernization aligns with its position as a leading U.S. carrier, while Emirates' expansion with new aircraft types supports its role as a global connecting carrier. The timing of these changes is particularly significant as the aviation industry continues to evolve post-pandemic, with airlines adapting to new market realities and customer expectations. Both Delta and Emirates are demonstrating their commitment to long-term growth and sustainability through these strategic fleet decisions. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.